Hi guys, my name is MJ. Welcome to VirtuToy channel. Today I just want to show you first look for the EG6 actually, and I've kind of placed it here to compare the blue that initial model has released up to now, the blue RX-7, the GTR, and also the 86. So from here you can actually see the metallic blue for the EG6, which is a Japan exclusive. It's actually in a different shade. It's a darker blue. However, it still uses the same name of blue metallic. So I'll just show you the rest. Yep, it's blue metallic. So it's the same for the GTR and also the 86. Okay, so we'll go straight to it. I'm just gonna take this out of the packaging and we want to take a closer look at it. So the acrylic base is actually quite standard, and here so it says initial model EG6 PANDEM. At the back it states limited production, so our guess is about 2,000 pieces were made. Very nice wheels. You know what? Yeah, let's take it out of the base to take a closer look at it. Alright, okay, here we go. So far, initial model paint job has been really superb. Very nice finishing this time around again. Very nicely done by initial model. Look at the dark blue. Nice. I kind of prefer this blue compared to the lighter shade, but still very nicely pulled off by initial model. Nice. Still, I kind of prefer, my favorite is still the 86. Of all the castings that Initial has done so far, the 4, I still kind of like the 86 more than the rest. I kind of feel that the 86 has more details compared to the other models, because the GTR is kind of very just round, curvy. The RX-7 is curvy as well, and yeah, this EG is also another curvy model. And you don't see little details to it compared with the 86. The 86 has, in my opinion, has much more details to it. But still, very nice job done by initial model. Still, I would say at this moment, still one of the most impressive 1/18 scale brands out there. Okay, so underneath, there's little details, a couple of details underneath with the IG logo and also the exhaust in silver. So this one doesn't roll at all. Yep, this one doesn't roll, but it's fine. I did see recently in one of the more recent release, there's a missing rear window. And so far I'm lucky enough I do not have any QC issues with my initial models. Nice, very nice. So this is actually a Japan exclusive, and yep, there you go. Okay, so as usual, I will be taking close-up photos of this EG6 and putting them on my Instagram. And remember to follow me there, virtutoys.mj. Remember to hit the subscribe button and like my videos to follow me on more awesome diecast videos. Alright, thank you all for watching. Bye!